So today I would like to post one video in the field of digital image processing. So just press this button to run the code. It will open one graphical user interface. Now this is the graphical user interface of the project. The title of the code is image compression and decompression using curved transform. Now just click first button, that is select image button, and just select one image for compression purpose from input database or from current directory. So I'm going to select this image from current directory. Just click on open. That image will display over this axis. It will take few seconds to load. So this is the input image, or we can say it is the original image for compression purpose. And here we are getting some dialog box like image selected for compression. Now just click on OK. Now just click on curved decomposition. So given image is decomposed with the help of curved transform, and the output of curved transform will shown here. So this is the curved transform and this is the dialog box. Just click on OK. Now you have to encode this image with the help of entropy encoding. Now just click on entropy encoding. So this is the encoded data, and I'm getting some dialog box like encoding is done. Now just click on OK. Now you have to save this encoded data by clicking this button. So you have to save this data. So this data is saved successfully. We are getting this message. Now just click on OK. Now we are going for decompression purpose. Now just click on select data button and select entropy encoded data from current directory. Now you have to select this data. Just click on open. So we are getting some dialog box like encoded data is selected. Just click on OK. Now you have to do entropy decoding. So we are getting entropy decoding, and we are going for curved reconstruction. So this is the recovered image. Just click on OK. And these are the various output parameters that I am getting. The compression ratio that I am getting is 0.719657. The total time required for compression purpose is 8.59 seconds. The value of MSC is 0. The value of PSNR after reconstruction is 100. And the total time required for decompression purpose is 0.908287 seconds. Now we can save this recovered image by clicking this button. So we can save this image with the help of any name. So I'm going to give the name, any name. You can give the name. Now just click on save button. Just click on clear all, and you have to clear all the data from compression side as well. Now I'm going to run this code for one more image. Just click on first button, that is select image button, and select one image from input database. So I'm going to select this image. Just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Now we are getting some dialog box like image selected for compression. Just click on OK. Now you have to do, that is curved decomposition. So the curved decomposition is done. Now we have to do the entropy encoding. Encoding also done. I'm getting compression ratio is equal to 0.694578, and the total time required for compression purpose is 1.16017 seconds. Now you have to save this data, that is encoded data, by clicking this button. The data is saved successfully. I'm getting this message. Just click on OK. Now we are going for decompression purpose. Now just select encoded data from input database or current directory. So just select this data. Just click on open. Now you have to do entropy decoding. So just click on entropy decoding button, and then next button that you have to click is curved reconstruction. Now this is the reconstructed image by applying curved. So I'm getting reconstructed image. Just click on OK, and we can save this image once again by clicking this button. So just give any name and just save this image. So I'm getting this message, that is a recovered image saved successfully. So in this case I'm getting MSC is equal to 0. The value of PSNR is equal to 100, and the total time required for decompression is 0.91587 seconds. The value of MSC is 0 and the value of PSNR is equal to 100. It means that the recovered or reconstructed image is exactly same to the input original image. So there is no loss. It's a lossless compression, isn't it? So you can clear all the content of decompression side and clear all the content of compression side and just click on exit to close this graphical user interface. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, in the field of video processing, or if you want various projects in the field of digital image processing or video processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos and share my all the videos. Thank you so much.